Welcome to GearWings.com YouTube channel. In this video we see the configuration of K3A Pro flight controller. Initially connect the K3A Pro FC to the laptop as showing here. After connecting successfully, open the K3A Pro configuration file. In that file, open the blue icon Assistant application. After opening it, the interface will look like this. Here, you can see here the USB symbol like this. Click it, it starts loading and wait for some time. After full loading it opens the configuration interface. Here you see 4 different options. First one overview, second one is base, third one is advanced. First we see the base settings. Here we do the all configure work. In base, again we see 6 different columns. First one, frame. In frame we select our drone frame model which we are inserting this, FC. Second one is install. There we see the 4 coordinates since we select the quadcopter frame. Next one, power. In that make sure the motor idle is in slow mode. Don't change anything here, put it as default. Next one is RC. Here put flight mode in first one. Next. In second one is manual, and third one in AB mode. That's it and nothing change here anything. Next one, sensor. Don't change anything for now, put as it is. And the last one, config. Here also don't change anything. Next go to advanced settings. Here also 6 columns present. Don't change anything in first column, advance gone. In next one that is protect, make sure the first alarm volt in 44 volts. And in second alarm volt in 43 volts. And next one is pump. Select which type of pump you are using in drone and click that option. Next, liquid. Don't change anything, leave it in as default values. Next is plant, here also leave it in default settings. Next one, output. Here also don't change anything. Next one is fence, here. Put distance limit in 600 meters. Put altitude limit in 30 meters. That's it. And last one is expand, here also don't change anything. Leave it in default settings. After all done, check all this settings and values. Next go to sensor section in base setting. There you see, IMU, calibrate. Click that and wait for some time. Here you can see place the FC in horizontal. Do it. Here it is, the configuration of FC is successfully completed calibration. Now you can remove the FC from your laptop and close this window. Gear up with GearWings.com. Visit our website GearWings.com and for more such videos like, share and subscribe, and leave a comment below this. Thanks for watching.